Welcome to our countdown of the 10 most amazing national parks in the USA. From breathtaking landscapes to diverse wildlife, these parks offer something for everyone. Over the next hour, we will embark on a journey to discover the hidden wonders of these natural treasures. We will stand on the rim of the Grand Canyon, humbled by its immensity, and witness the raw power of Yellowstone's geothermal wonders. Prepare to be captivated by the granite cliffs of Yosemite, the mist-shrouded peaks of the Great Smoky Mountains, and the rugged coastline of Acadia. So join me as we delve into the heart of the American wilderness, exploring the diverse ecosystems and iconic landmarks that make these national parks so special. Our journey begins in Yellowstone, a land of fire and water where the very earth seems alive. Here, amidst the geysers and hot springs, we witness nature's raw power on full display. Old Faithful, a geyser known for its predictable eruptions, shoots scalding water high into the air, a testament to the immense forces at work beneath our feet. Nearby, the Grand Prismatic Spring shimmers with an almost unreal palette of colors, a result of heat-loving microorganisms thriving in its mineral-rich waters. Yellowstone is a reminder that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing place shaped by forces far beyond our control. The Grand Canyon needs little introduction. This vast chasm carved over millennia by the relentless Colorado River is a testament to the power of erosion and the immense scale of geological time. Standing on the rim, one is dwarfed by its sheer size, the layers of rock revealing millions of years of Earth's history. As the sun dips below the horizon, the canyon transforms, shadows lengthening and colors intensifying, creating a spectacle that leaves visitors breathless. The Grand Canyon is a place that must be seen to be truly comprehended, a place where words fail to capture the true essence of its grandeur. Yosemite National Park is a land of towering granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls and ancient sequoia trees that seem to touch the sky. El Capitan, a sheer rock face rising thousands of feet above the valley floor, stands as a challenge to climbers from around the world. Yosemite Falls, one of the highest waterfalls in North America, plunges with a roar, its mist creating a perpetual rainbow. And then there are the giant sequoias, some over 2,000 years old, their massive trunks a testament to their enduring presence in this land. Chapter 4, Zion, where the earth blushes red. Zion Canyon, with its towering red cliffs, is a sight to behold. Carved by the Virgin River, the canyon walls glow a fiery orange in the late afternoon sun, creating a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. Hiking trails wind their way through the canyon, offering breathtaking views at every turn. One of the most popular trails, Angel's Landing, takes hikers along a narrow spine with sheer drop-offs on either side, rewarding their bravery with unparalleled panoramic vistas. Zion is a place of adventure and awe, where the power of nature is on full display. Chapter 5, Rocky Mountain High. High in the Colorado Rockies lies Rocky Mountain National Park, a land of alpine meadows, pristine lakes, and snow-capped peaks. Here, bighorn sheep navigate the rocky slopes, while elk graze in the valleys below. Trail Ridge Road, one of the highest paved roads in North America, winds its way through the park, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply seeking solitude amidst nature's grandeur, Rocky Mountain National Park has something to offer everyone. Chapter 6, The Smokies, a tapestry of green. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park, often shrouded in a blue mist that gives the range its name, is a haven for biodiversity. Here, lush forests teeming with life stretch as far as the eye can see, home to black bears, deer, and a dazzling array of birdlife. Historic cabins and homesteads dot the landscape, remnants of a time when life moved at a slower pace. Whether you're exploring its many hiking trails, taking in the panoramic views from Clingman's Dome, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of the forest, the Smokies offer a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Chapter 7, Olympic, where the forest meets the sea. Olympic National Park is a place of dramatic contrasts where temperate rainforests collide with rugged coastline. Here, giant trees draped in moss create a fairy tale-like atmosphere, while waves crash against rocky shores, their roar a constant reminder of the power of the Pacific Ocean. Hoh Rainforest, one of the most famous temperate rainforests in the world, is a must-see, its lush greenery and towering trees creating a cathedral-like ambience. Whether you're exploring the rainforest, hiking to a glacier-capped peak, or simply strolling along the beach, Olympic National Park offers a sensory experience unlike any other. Chapter 8. Glacier, a symphony in blue and green. Glacier National Park is a land of towering peaks, pristine lakes, and of course glaciers. The Going to the Sun Road, an engineering marvel, winds its way through the park, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Here you can hike to hidden waterfalls, kayak on crystal-clear lakes, and witness the awe-inspiring beauty of glaciers, a stark reminder of our planet's changing climate. Glacier is a park that will stay with you long after you've left, a place where the power and beauty of nature are on full display. Chapter 9. Acadia, where the mountains meet the sea. Acadia National Park, located on the rugged coast of Maine, is a place of dramatic beauty. Here, granite peaks rise from the Atlantic Ocean, their slopes covered in a patchwork of forests and meadows. Cadillac Mountain, the highest point on the east coast, offers breathtaking sunrises and panoramic views of the surrounding islands. Explore the park's network of hiking trails, cycle along the scenic Park Loop Road, or simply relax on one of its many sandy beaches. Acadia is a place where you can reconnect with nature and experience the raw beauty of the Atlantic coastline. Chapter 10. Grand Teton, a mountain paradise. Our final destination takes us to Grand Teton National Park, where the jagged peaks of the Teton Range rise abruptly from the valley floor, creating a landscape of unparalleled grandeur. Here, crystal-clear lakes reflect the towering mountains, their surfaces often disturbed by the ripples of trout rising to catch insects. Hiking trails wind their way through the park, offering breathtaking views of the Tetons and the surrounding wilderness. Whether you're an avid hiker, a wildlife enthusiast, or simply seeking a place to escape the everyday, Grand Teton National Park will leave you breathless. Thanks for joining us on this journey through some of the USA's most incredible national parks. From the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone to the rugged coast of Acadia, these parks offer a glimpse into the diverse beauty and natural wonders of this country. We hope this video has inspired you to experience the magic of these national parks for yourself. Whether you're seeking adventure, solitude, or simply a chance to connect with nature, these parks have something to offer everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which park is your favorite.